Hi there, and welcome to the Demand Generation Playbook. Follow this simple step-by-step playbook to develop and implement a demand generation strategy that provides a steady flow of qualified, engaged leads for your sales team. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of demand generation maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with Stage 1, Initiative Preparation. Here, we first understand demand generation and then review marketing automation best practices. That's followed by reviewing the levels of demand gen maturity, identifying your organization's maturity level, and building a business case. In stage number 2, here we focus on defining what a lead really is. And in the first step, we're going to understand your lead's buying persona, define your lead's buying process, and then agree on the definition of a lead, discover lead scoring best practices, and then define lead scoring parameters. In stage number 3, we plan your strategy. And here, in the first step, you define the roles and responsibilities required, discover which marketing channels matter, then design your marketing funnel for leads, create a demand generation strategy, and identify budget allocations. In stage number 4, here we focus on technology selection. In the first step, you're going to review core tech for marketing automation, understand additional tech required, evaluate vendors and create a shortlist, submit RFPs to shortlisted vendors, and conduct evaluations and make decisions. In stage number 5, here we focus on programs and activities. And the first step here is to leverage demand gen best practices, followed by mapping content to your leads buying process and organizing your demand gen programs. And lastly, in stage number 6, here in measurement, in the first step, we're going to calculate ROI from marketing channels and then measure your demand generation program. And remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the demand generation framework. Succeed with demand generation by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.